case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1979 case of Murray v. Fairbanks Morse, Norwilton Murray suffered severe spinal injuries while installing an electrical control panel at the Hess Oil Refinery. The panel, built by Beloit Power Systems, was misaligned. Murray used a crowbar to adjust it, leading to his injury. The jury found Beloit Power Systems primarily responsible for the accident under both strict liability and negligence. However, the court also determined that Murray was 5% at fault for his own injuries. As a result, Murray's compensation, totaling $1,747,000, mostly for mental suffering and loss of enjoyment of life, was reduced proportionally. This decision raised important legal questions about the application of the Virgin Islands comparative negligence statute in strict product liability cases. The United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit affirmed the district court's judgment on both strict products liability and negligence counts. The court reasoned that a pure comparative fault system should be used for Restatement Section 402A, allowing for a fair distribution of loss for product-related injuries. This system implies that the Virgin Islands comparative negligence statute applies to products liability cases under negligence theory. The court also denied Murray's cross-appeal and taxed costs against Beloit and Murray.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.